All right, hello everybody. Went to Cubs Padres yesterday and picked up one of their team packs in one of their stores. We'll see what's in this. Say hi to Tigress, everyone. He is joining us today. Obviously, I grabbed this one because the Bowman Chrome PCA Rookie of the Year favorite was in there. So that's our top card. I got a little different design for the stands today because I'm using a different blanket. But that one's going to go on the top. I'm just curious to see what the hell's in here. Nope. Oh, kitty. Peyton Remy, never heard of him. 2018. Ooh, got a nice old-ass Tom Verizor. Is that 84? 85 tops, Tom Verizor. I already had that one. Alex Lange first Bowman. 2018. There. 91 Flair, Derek May, good God. Reginald Preciado, another Bowman, 2021. Rolando Romes, 89 Donruss, good Lord. There we go, Christopher Morel, Allen and Ginter. And Cubs celebrating, that's 2025, nice. The first Bowman, Christopher Morel, that's cool, I don't have that card. Oh, Jesus. Stadium Club, Luis Salazar. Good Lord. Jan Gomes, was that 2023? David Kelton, Bowman Chrome. Ed Howard Bowman, that's cool. He was the number one pick. 2021. I don't know if we'll ever see him. Chris Bryant, Donruss Optic. That's cool. That is 2020. I don't have that one. There's a Jim Fry, another 85. There we go. Topps Chrome Ian Happ, 2023. Mark Grace, Topps. What year is that? Come on, everybody. 99. Okay. Adbert Alzolay, rookie card Bowman. Was that 2021? 2020. Bill Buckner, 81 Donruss. All right. Oof. Giosker Amaya, 2013 Bowman. Fleer Tradition, Roosevelt Brown. Kevin Alcantara. Another 2020 Bowman. There we go. All right.